Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tiffany and I upload a new homemaking video every Sunday. So today I am going to bring you along with me while I clean out my bathroom closet. It is a little bit embarrassing in there and I'm hoping that by cleaning mine out and putting it out there to you guys, you will get inspired to clean yours up too. So come along with me and we'll get down to business. Before we really get started, I just want to show you what we're working with to start. This has become unruly and very inefficient because things have just sort of slopped into places where they don't belong and everything is just a little bit chaotic for my taste. I like to be able to be efficient when I get ready in the morning, and this is just not working so great anymore. So we're gonna start out by emptying everything out of the closet. This is a great way to give yourself a clean slate, and I just love to work this way. It's the most effective and the fastest, I think, too. It's just like get everything out and then only put back what you need. Once I have everything out of the closet, I'm just gonna wipe everything down so it's nice and clean and ready to have everything put back on it. Now I'm gonna start my little sorting party here. I'm just gonna put all the things that go together and the things that make sense to have assembled, and I am going to throw away some things that are expired or that I don't use anymore and just get them out of the way. Once I have all that sorted through, I'm just gonna start putting things back in the general area that I want them to go in. This is by no means the final draft that you're seeing here, but I'm putting them in an area that I know I'll probably want them to be in. So you'll see this evolve as the video progresses, and I'm excited for you to see the end result toward the end of the video. Once I had most of my stuff put away, I went ahead and started working on my husband's things. Now, I didn't throw anything away of his because I don't know what he needs to keep and what he needs to toss or what he doesn't use anymore. And he's pretty good about filtering through as he, just moves through day-to-day life. I'm not as good at it as he is, but we all have our talents. So I'm just gonna kind of help him by putting everything back where I think it goes. Now I'm just gonna put these towels away. I refolded them so that when I reach for one, they don't all fall on my head. And once I got everything put away back on the shelves, I went to work on this door. I love this shoe organizer to add storage to my bathroom closet, and I also have one in my cleaning supply closet in the hallway. They have been such game changers, and I highly recommend you do get one of these if you have access to one, which you probably do. They're available on Amazon, I think. Hey guys, so I am pretty happy with how this turned out. Keep in mind, I want to motivate you to clean, and I am motivated to keep my house clean, but it's not a natural trait of mine. It's something I have worked on very hard, so I'm probably never gonna be the perfect KonMari example, but I have arranged this in a way that I feel like is really functional for me and my husband, and I'm gonna kind of show you what my thinking was when I put everything back. I went ahead and kept everything pretty much the same. I did do some rearranging on the door, which you saw earlier. It feels really good, and it's nice to know more than anything, more than completely overhauling my closet, I like that I know I cleaned off the shelves. I have Chris's stuff set up how he likes it pretty much. I'm hoping he doesn't get too upset and can't find something when he comes home. I mean, he doesn't get mad at me or anything like that, but if somebody organizes for you, it can be frustrating to look for your things. These are, travel size shampoo and travel size conditioner, purse lotion, anything that needs to be mobile. So we put in here, and this is his travel stuff. He travels for work, so we like to keep a good stock of these on hand. And then I have all of our first aid and NyQuil and just some little, it's our little pharmacy right there. And my salt scrub. This is my backup. My one that I'm using is in the shower, but I like to keep a backup so I don't run out. And then down here, Gosh, I wish it was brighter in here. Oh, that's a little better if I back up. Down here I have things I use a lot. Over here with the black lid, this is all of my nail stuff, and so is this. So these two, the black one is all nail polish and cotton balls, and this is nail polish remover and drying spray and my manicure set. Also, I have over here, this is my daily use hair stuff. So everything I use when I do my hair, I just keep over here, and this is my face wash that I use once I take my makeup off. So I keep that right there so I can just grab it real quick. And down here at the bottom, I have all of my hair tools. So I have my hair dryer, my hot rollers, extra hair brushes, and headbands and clips and things like that are in the blue Tiffany box. And then I keep my bath supplies down here. I keep a lot of Epsom salt and baking soda on hand, because I am a dance teacher and this is what helps me survive my life. And that is all there is to it, folks. Hopefully this gives you some ideas for how to organize your bathroom. And I really like it because, as you can see, aside from my cleaner here and my water, it keeps basically everything off the counter that's not, you know, hand soap or a nice decoration. And it keeps it so you have a nice work area. I have plenty of room to put my curling iron, and Chris can put his shaving supplies, whatever we need, we have room to do it. And since we only have one sink and not a lot of counter space, that's very helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you out. I hope it gets you motivated to organize some part of your house that needs to be organized so your mornings can be more efficient and so you can be on time for your responsibilities and such. And I hope you give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!